So that's why we are going into grid computing, cloud computing, so like that area. So sharing the information sharing. So suppose the private data to be shared, we can use an intranet concept. But the public data, if you want to access, like we can use a Google to search every data. The same data may be present in different locations. So different locations we can access. Suppose you want to give, that is, I want to search some words like what is about, that is what is meant by information technology. It's not only coming from a particular area. So that is particular system. So wherever the information technology information is present, all the things to be collected and come to your place. So everything through the internet, we can bring all the things together and we can collect the information. So this is for public people. For in a particular area people, suppose I want to know about election voter ID. So the informations are not very less. So it is stored in a different location, and that is it may be in the workstation or in the grid computing environment or in the cloud computing environment, all the data to be stored. So automatically we can give your authorization or ID. We can collect what is your status of your election ID. So what is the status of election ID? Like Aadhaar card is also like that. So whenever you need this information, this information cannot be put in a single systems. So it must be shared. We cannot say a Namakkal data is here or the Tamil Nadu data is here. So it is a nation information. We don't know where it is stored, but whenever we need, we can access through the internet. Then the next part, these are the small things I want to say. Then the next improvement is major improvement in information technology is mobile computing. That is mobile technology. So you all know about mobile. That is now the 3G to 4G came. So what it means? That is fastly. The person wants to communicate the information very fast, and they want to store all the information. They want to send a movie also through the mobile. So automatically the technology growing. So but then fine. That is the people wants to again develop some more. That is some more advancement like 3G to 4G. Then the hardware part also, the GSM to GPRS. So like that we are growing. Then in future, everything may be in the satellite communication. So wireless, wire technology. Now wire technology has gone. Now we are in the wireless technology. So then in future it may be in the satellite technology. So like that everything is growing. So in the information technology we cannot say this is the information, this area is the information technology, this is the information technology. So everything, whatever we are seeing, that is, for example, this function. So all the students who are all present here, we can collect the information from the gallery. So this is also one type of information. They are writing in the paper, but in future everything in the computerized. So whenever we need, we can access through the computer, or if they are in the outstation, through the mobiles or through wireless communications, we can access the information. So this is not only for this type of these times, like banking or that is regarding populations, regarding any scientific, suppose latest information you want, you can collect from the internet. So that is the usage of users. Based on this, we can say that how much the information is shared by others. So you can share all the informations. So that is the latest information. That is by sensor. You can say it's a driverless car. That is Google car. You all know. So that is using the sensor. The car is going without the driver. Now in England, some driverless bus they given as for public purpose. So the driverless car, how it is going? So based on the signals. Signal is also one of the information collect from that machine. So with the hardware and the software, both are combined together to produce a new things or new informations. So that is useful for our nations and useful for our people. So this is driverless car is a sensor informations. So like that, we can say that is nanotechnology, that is nano glass. So that glass, if you are going to wear the glass is having some terabyte informations. We can store terabyte informations in the glass itself. So that is nano glass. So if you are going to wear that glass, we can collect all the photographs and information and store that. Keep that glass in 190-degree temperature. So that information will not erase for 13.8 million years. So whatever information we are collecting, we have to put into secured area. So security is main part of another concept of information technology. So the main benefit is based on the speed, we are going to create a new thing. So security, whenever we are growing, that is whenever we are developing anything, automatically the security is the main part to concern. Then communications. Automatically, the protocol information we need. So what is the protocol we are going to use? So that is, generally we are using TCP/IP. So you know, SMTP, FTP, HTTP. So like that, there are different types of protocols for accessing information from somewhere else. So that is TCP/IP protocol is very much popular. So which is used for transferring the data with reliability. So the security is concerned in all the area. That is in the for storing the information or retrieving the information. Retrieve the information means we have to use a security, that is password. For example, you are all having email information. How it is secure? You have to give a login ID, then the password. So login ID is to know everybody. I can give my login ID to anyone, but the password is I cannot share. But you are sending the message to me and I can also send message to you. But opening that messages or that information, I need a password. So that type of security we are giving to access the information. This is for an individuals. Suppose in the companies or in the globals, there is a high security to enter. So safe home, for example, if you want to give a safety to a home, so how you are going to use? So first you have to keep a equipment, then say either you can use a sensor or an alarm or another use pannalam. So all this, that is sensor use pannalam, இல்ல அலாரம் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். சப்போஸ் உங்க டோர் யாராவது லாக் கட்டுறாங்க, இல்ல உங்களுக்கு செக்யூரிட்டி தேவை, உங்க வீட்டுக்கு செக்யூரிட்டி தேவை அப்படின்னும் போது நீங்க என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? ஒரு அலாரம் வச்சிருப்பீங்க, இல்லாட்டி ஒரு கேமரா செட் பண்ணிருப்பீங்க, இல்ல ஏதோ ஒரு டெலிபோன் லைன், இது மாதிரி ஏதாவது கனெக்டிவிட்டி இருக்கும். ஸோ அப்போ இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் வரும்போது, சப்போஸ் ஒரு யாராவது ஒருத்தர் வரும்போது சென்சர் automatically it activates. That information should be collected and processed in the systems, and we can know whether the person is authorized persons to enter into the home or we are going to reject. So if the person is not an authorized, then automatically the alarm will be given. So how it can be possible? The information processing, all the information should be stored in your system. So that could be matched with your system. That is, that information collected is matched with your systems. If it is not correctly, then it is rejected. Otherwise, we are going to accept. So like that, we can accept, use that information in all the areas. So the information technology is not only for home or small industries, large industries, even the agriculture, banking, then that is biomedicals. So everyone